Mastering Modals in English Conditionals. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are going to talk about an important aspect of English grammar: conditional sentences with modals. You might have heard about modals and conditionals separately, but do you know how they work together? This will be our focus for today's lesson. Let's dive right in. In English, conditional sentences often use modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Some common examples include could, would, should, might, and must. When used in conditional sentences, these modals can change the meaning of the condition. For example, if it rains, we could stay indoors. Possibility: if you practiced more, you would play better. Hypothetical situation: remember that we often use modals in the main clause, the result clause, of conditional sentences. Creating conditional sentences with modals is straightforward. These sentences consist of a condition clause, if clause, and a main clause. The modal verb is usually in the main clause. Here's the basic structure: if plus, simple present, modal verb, plus, base form of verb. For example, if you eat too much, you might feel sick. If we leave now, we could catch the early train. Please note that the if clause can also come after the main clause without changing the meaning. Let's put what we've learned into practice. I'll give you some situations, and you have to form conditional sentences using the appropriate modal. 1. Condition: she studies hard. Result with modal: she, blank, to get good grades. 2. Condition: he takes the bus. Result with modal: he, blank, to arrive on time. 3. Condition: they don't plan their trip. Result with modal: they, blank, to get lost. Take a moment to fill in the blanks and create your conditional sentences. Well done, everyone. I hope this lesson on conditional sentences with modals has been helpful. Keep practicing these exercises and soon, forming conditional sentences with modals will become second nature to you. Happy learning and see you in the next lesson.